Hey there, this is your Avon Lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 25 of 2020. And of course, because this campaign is right smack in the middle of the holiday shopping season, I also have some holiday shopping tips for you. So if you go to my online store, youravon.com/carnold, we have our holiday shopping guide already up and ready to go for your shopping needs. You can shop by price of the gifts if you want, if you're looking for all gifts under a certain amount to help you stay in your holiday budget. We have, you can shop by category. You can go beauty gifts, jewelry gifts, gifts for the home. You can search that way. And so it's all right there, easy to shop. And I definitely recommend shopping early because a lot of our holiday products are limited edition. So you want to make sure that you shop while we've got the best availability of products. And you can save a trip to the post office as well. If you are sending gifts to loved ones out of town, you can order on the online store and change the shipping address to their address so it goes directly to them. So that saves you having to get the order in at your home and then package it up and take it to the post office and send it to your loved ones far away. So it's a great way to save on postage because you're not paying postage twice to get the package, and unless of course you have a big enough order to get free shipping, but you're not having to get the package and then pay an additional shipping to ship it to your loved ones. And do also absolutely want to remind you guys that I am available as your personal shopper during the holidays and year round. Life is hectic, it gets busy. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. I am more than happy to kind of do the shopping for you and send you links to the specific products that you might be looking for. So I do have a couple of new things in campaign 25 that I want to share with you. First up is one of those things that I know is going to go very quickly. These sold very quickly when we had a similar travel set in the spring. And it is our belif travel kit, holiday travel kit. Cute little bag with the wrist strap. Looks like a little holiday ornament with some ornaments and leaves, holly and that around to decorate it. So cute little bag. And it has 4 travel size belif products. So we have our belif Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. So this is a very moisturizing cleanser, but at the same time, it's still great for oily skin. It does a great job of cleansing the skin and removing all that excess oil without leaving your skin feeling stripped and dry. So that's the jelly cleanser. We have the belif Eye Balm moisturizer. So it's great for the eye area if you just have really dry skin around the eyes and want some really good hydration. And of course, well-hydrated skin means fewer fine lines and wrinkles. And well-hydrated skin too can sometimes help with dark circles depending on the cause of those. So that's the belif Eye Balm. And then we have trial sizes or travel sizes of both the True Cream Aqua Balm and the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which make a just fantastic either one by themselves, but they make a great combination. If anybody is ever undecided on which one to use, I suggest using the Aqua Balm in the morning and the Moisturizing Balm at night. The Aqua Balm is like the one product that I probably use every single day. No matter what else I skip in my skincare routine, this product is in it. Super, super moisturizing, but also does not leave my combination skin shiny and oily at all. So it's perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. But I really, really, really recommend this for anyone with oily skin that fights that shine that starts a couple hours into the day and just gets worse as the day goes on. It does a really good job of really kind of mattifying the skin, and it also minimizes the look of pores. And then the moisturizing balm, again, great for all skin types, especially good for very, very dry skin. It just really is a nice, rich cream, super moisturizing, and just feels really good on the skin. So it's a rich cream, but it's still kind of lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. So that is the belif on the go holiday travel kit. And like I said, we had this in the spring. We had a set like this that was the 4-piece travel kit, and it sold out really quick. So definitely get on that. It's absolutely perfect if you're going to be traveling. You've got your whole regimen there. A lot of us kind of, even if we have a more extensive skincare regimen, we scale that down at the holidays. So this is perfect. You've got day and night creams. The only thing you don't have is sunblock. So it's ready to go. It's travel friendly. If you do happen to be flying, you know, it does work for your carry-on. And if you're traveling by car, you know, you can go with a smaller suitcase. So just great set. And it's a great option if you want to try the belif line. It's a great value for the trial sizes. So really, really highly recommend that. But, you know, be sure to get it as soon as possible because those do go really quick. Then I did want to share one of our jewelry collections that we have for the holidays. And I do actually, I very rarely do this, but I do actually have all of the pieces of this collection. So this is our Smoky collection. And you see it's got kind of a smoky taupey gray stone. Really, really pretty. And would go really well with, you know, dark and light shades. So it's going to go well with all of, you know, your like nice jewel tones. It'll go well with your basic black. Not exactly perfect for the neckline that I have on today, but well. So it is about a choker length. This is the longest setting on it. It's a little bit longer than a choker, but you could, with the extender, because you can adjust the length, you could pull it all the way up. Yeah, I could pull it all the way up as a choker if I wanted to do that. So definitely a versatile piece. I actually like it as a choker. And I don't usually do choker styles. But yeah, very, very pretty. You can see how it works with kind of the jewel tone and with the darker, more earthy tones. So I think it's going to be a very, very versatile collection. So this is the necklace and earring set that has the basic stud style earrings that match the stones in the necklace. Oh, I think I twisted it when I put it up there. That's why. There we go. I think I twisted it when I put the chain on. Huh. Nope, not twisted, just didn't lay it down right. So that's the necklace and earring set. Then we also have a matching bracelet, a stretch bracelet, and it's got a gold tone setting with the, and you see it really, I really like it. It does have a little bit, you know how some grays or taupes can be a little blue, a little purple, a little green. I think this one kind of leans toward the green side, but not always. So just in certain lights or next to certain colors. So I feel like it'll be very versatile in working with other colors. And then if you want a little bit more drama in the earrings, we have the chandelier earrings that match the collection as well. So really, really beautiful collection. And you can finish it off with our magnetic strap watch that we have both in a silver tone and sort of a gold tone in black. This is the black version with the gold tone. And it's a very, I really like, okay, so I used to have a band for my Fitbit, for my old Fitbit that was like this, and really, really liked them. It's a mesh fabric, so it's very, very flexible, and it's a magnetic closure. So when you put the watch on, you can really take the strap and just adjust it perfectly for wherever you want it to sit on your wrist, or if you want it to be a little looser, you've got that perfect adjustment. You can have it however you like to wear it. It adjusts much more than just like the notches in the band sort of thing. So, so that is the Smoky collection, and that's all of the new stuff that I have for you. We didn't introduce a lot of new in Campaign 25 because we do have so many fantastic holiday items already that were introduced in 23 and 24. We wanted to get as many of the holiday products out there early so that you had plenty of time to know what all we had available and could, you know, plan your holiday shopping and keep it nice and budget friendly. So I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.